Hi, Michael Mowbray again. You may have seen in my other video about the MoPro Rolling Studio Stand that you can use this with beauty lighting, butterfly lighting. Put a light up on here, tip it down, put another light, lower it down a little bit, and have some uplight. But what if you do want to use a reflector? Surely there's not enough room here. Well, there is, and don't call me Shirley, because we have a solution for you. Take out your spigot, throw it over to the side, and you pick up one of our Lightstand extensions. You put it into the front hole here. Oh, look, you see where I'm going with this? Tighten that down. Now, I can fit one of our MoLighters on this. Easier said than done. Boom. Now we just need to tighten that down. And then, with a pistol grip, I can raise and lower this to wherever I want. Ooh, look at that light. So now, we've got a way for you to use this with the reflector. I can bring a light in here, make some clamshell lighting, very easy. Again, all with the MoPro Rolling Studio Stand with this one add-on. It's the MoLight Lightstand Extension, pretty inexpensive. You can find it in the store in the Lightstand section. And it gives you the ability to take your reflector a little bit off the center post here and be able to use your MoLighter reflector.